Good afternoon, folks. This is Mr. Stubbs, and this is Research 1 and Research 2, and we are in week 8. At the end of this week, October 9th, you should be finishing up your class that you're working on in credit recovery. Everyone has had ample time and ample opportunity to finish up what they were doing, um, and that's really it. I can't explain it. Next Monday on the 12th, grades are due. So if you don't finish by Friday, and you could keep on working, on Saturday and Sunday, and by the time I go ahead and take a look at everything on Monday, if you're done, then you'll go ahead and pass this quarter. If you do not finish your class, and it's going to be tough for some of you because some of you haven't even turned in the paperwork, so you haven't even started on the class. You will fail this quarter. So make sure everybody understands that because if you are working on your class, you need to go ahead and make it through. On every class, it has a pacing chart. It lets you know if you're behind, if you're on target, or if you're in front of the pace. So you have to pay attention to that. So if you haven't brought in your paperwork or turned in anything to get you started, you definitely need to do that. And I've said over and over that you can go ahead and take a picture of it, sign, send it back to me through Schoology. You can print them off, sign them, scan them, and send it back through Schoology. But if I don't have your paperwork, you can't get started. And everybody's in here to retake a class that they didn't pass or they need that class to graduate. So if you got any questions, either talk to me, email me, text me, do whatever you need to do, but you have to finish your class by Friday. If you don't, you can still continue to work on the class, but when grades go in next Monday on the 12th, you're going to receive an F for this quarter. Okay, so guys, let's get going. All right. If you haven't turned the paperwork in, get it turned in. If you're behind in your class, get going. Everybody should be able to catch up and finish on time by Friday. All right. So that's it for this week. Keep on working hard. Have a good one.